Culture is shared beliefs, values, and practices by people in a society. Society is a definable community full of people who share a culture. We will dive into elements of culture and the types of culture. We will also look at the culture through the lens of different sociological perspectives. The easiest way to understand how different perspectives look at culture is to first figure out which perspective you agree with. For example, the text tells you that functionalists view society as a system in which all parts function together to create a society as a whole. This would mean that society needs culture to exist. Cultural norms function to support the fluid operation of society, and the cultural values guide people in making choices. Just as members of a society work together to fulfill a society's needs, culture exists to meet members' basic needs. Whereas conflict theorists view social structure based on the power differentials related to issues like class, gender, race, and age. For a conflict theorist, culture is seen as reinforcing issues of privilege for certain groups based upon race, sex, class, and so on. Women strive for equality in a male-dominated society. Senior citizens struggle to protect their rights, their health care, and their independence from a younger generation of lawmakers.